Can cutting carbs really help you lose weight? Or is there a better way? Here's the truth about keto versus low carb for weight loss. With so many diets out there, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. Low carb diets have been popular for years, and more recently, keto has taken center stage as a strategy for rapid weight loss. But how different are these two diets? And which one is more effective for weight loss? If you're looking to lose weight and improve your health, understanding the distinctions between keto and low-carb diets is essential. The problem: knowing which diet works for you. Many people jump into low-carb or keto diets without fully understanding how they work or what makes each one unique. This can lead to frustration if the diet doesn't align with your lifestyle, tastes, or body type. So, let's break down the key differences and benefits to help you decide which one is better suited to your weight loss goals. Keto diet, ultra low carb, and high fat. The keto diet is a high fat, very low carb diet that typically limits carbs to about 5 to 10% of daily calories, 20 to 50 grams per day. The goal is to put your body into a state called ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. This shift can lead to rapid weight loss, especially in the initial weeks, because your body is tapping into fat stores for energy. Pros of keto for weight loss: rapid initial weight loss. Many people see quick results on keto, primarily due to water loss and fat burning. Reduced appetite: the high fat content helps you feel fuller, which can make it easier to stick to the diet. Steady energy: many find that burning fat for fuel provides sustained energy throughout the day, avoiding blood sugar spikes. Cons of keto: difficult to maintain. It's challenging to sustain the strict carb limits long term. Potential nutrient gaps: cutting out many carb sources may lead to deficiencies in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Low carb diet: flexible and moderate carb reduction. A low carb diet, while similar to keto, is less restrictive. Generally, it involves reducing daily carb intake to around 50 to 150 grams, depending on individual goals and tolerance. It doesn't necessarily push the body into ketosis, but lowers carb intake enough to stabilize blood sugar and support weight loss. Pros of low carb for weight loss: flexibility: low carb diets offer more variety, making them easier to stick to long term. Balanced nutrition: you can still enjoy some fruits, whole grains, and starchy vegetables, which provide essential nutrients. Steady blood sugar levels: reducing carbs can stabilize insulin and blood sugar, helping to curb cravings. Cons of low carb: slower initial weight loss. Without ketosis, weight loss may not be as rapid as on keto. Potential for overeating: without the strict carb limits of keto, it can be easier to overeat certain foods,